Whenever you're working with a platform that has an API, like in this case, it's always important to understand at a high level the why, the what, and the how. Hence, let me give you a high level overview of the OpenAI platform. The primary purpose of the OpenAI API, which is part of the platform, is to leverage cutting edge NLP models, NLP meaning natural language processing, with the objective of performing various natural language tasks, such as text generation, language translation, question answering, sentiment analysis, and more. To get started, you can navigate to platform.openai.com and log in. There are several different ways to log in. You can sign up and create an account or use one of these identity providers. I already created my account, so I'll just log in. Just to let you know, initially you get some free credits, but you can consider subscribing as it will give you access to the full functionality of the platform. For example, fine tuning. Okay, in here, there's a few things that will come in handy, but at this point, I won't give you a tour. Instead, I'll show you the relevant functionality as we move forward through the demos. However, there are a few sections that I want to highlight. Here in this drop down, you can access everything that's related to your account and manage it. This is my organization and the organization ID, which sometimes you need it for some API requests. On the left, there's a menu where you can retrieve relevant information to your account. At the top, there's another menu where you can go and check the documentation. You can navigate here anytime that you need some information. For example, information on the available models. Feel free to browse the documentation as needed. Or, on the other hand, you can go to the API reference, which provides information on how to use the API. For example, if you wanted to learn about the chat endpoint, here's where you would navigate. I'll expand on this topic in a few moments. Oh, and by the way, in this training, I'm going to be using Python. However, there are other libraries available. For example, .NET, JavaScript, Java, and Go, as well as some community libraries. Oh, and this is important. Probably you're not going to be working alone, so you can invite additional team members to your organization and set an appropriate role. Okay, time to get started with the API.